Congratulations. You are completing your final semester in the D&P program. It is hard to believe how fast the past 4 semesters have really gone by. As we get started in this course, please make sure to review the content in the course carefully. Please go to the Start Here tab first and review the course documents, including the timeline for completion of assignments. And for this course, one of the first requirements is to actually meet with me. So we can do so virtually, and we will establish your specific timeline for the course and how you're going to complete the assignments, or the timeline for the assignments. So feel free to contact me by email or phone, text, so we can set up a time for our meeting. And this course, like the previous 790 courses, are based on student learning outcomes, and there's a matrix for each student learning outcome. So you will submit your assignments within each one of the outlined student learning outcomes. There's a spot for each one of the outcomes, and also include the support documents that are located in those outcomes as well. So that's where you will be submitting your information, is under each one of the outcomes. So as a reminder, all of your practicum hours are due by April the 1st. And make sure that you have everything documented and submit your log. And that is the key to be eligible to defend your D&P scholarly project. So we want to make sure that you meet that deadline. That's really important. All D&P documents must be uploaded in the Brightspace portfolio and in this course. So you need to have everything uploaded by the time this course ends. And the focus of this course is really completing that final paper for your D&P Advanced Scholarly Project, as well as your final presentation for defense of your D&P project. So this is a really exciting time to really showcase what you've done throughout your D&P and to showcase your project. I will look forward to working with you as you complete this final semester. And as always, please never hesitate to contact me if I can assist you in any way. So let's go ahead and get started. Take care now.